Hello beauties, we are back again with another effective recipe. So guys, I want to share with you how you can permit this super half cast whitening lotion. This is an upgraded masterclass recipe. Yeah, this recipe, don't joke with it. So guys, I'll teach you how you can permit this super half cast whitening lotion for those that want to whiten up their skin. So guys, the number one recipe I have here is your whitening base cream, or you go for Rapid Clear 7 to 7 lotion. Rapid Clear 7 to 7 lotion, you are using 3 of it. Then your whitening base cream, you are using 500 ml. You add this together. Then you need your pigeon tube. You need 3 tubes of pigeon. Miracle Dem tube, you need 2. Eduguard tube, you need 2. Shallow stretch mark oil, you're using 1. Whitener collagen concentrate, you need 1. Whitener serum, you need 1. Glutathione plus babe concentrate, I'll place the pictures, you need 1. Gluta double concentrate, you need 1. Bell Eclat Kenako, you need 1. Flawless white bleaching oil, you need 1. Super whitening gluta albutin oil, you need 1. Instant white bleaching oil, you need 1. Perfect skin treatment oil, you need 1. Then your Labijanis treatment oil, you need 1. And stretch mark ampoules. So these are all what you need for this production. Okay guys, this is evening around after 6. I'm making this video in case of any change in color. Alright, so how do you make this? In your bowl, add up everything together and then you stick blend. For those that want to whiten, you can say this particular recipe, you can make it and sell. For those that want to whiten up, so guys,